Kayla, what you waiting on?
What am I waiting on?
Jake, I'm taking pictures. I'm taking pictures. Kayla, help. Oh, her spit to dust. Look at Avery. He's making a snowman, Jake. Jake, help Avery do a snowman. Avery, who taught you to do that? I think I did. Hey, Zoe. What you doing? Woo, that's a big old snowman. Hey, it doesn't have mud in it either.
Hey, Kayla. What? Me and Daddy are making a snow.
Throw to Daddy, Kinsley. Oh.